Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another how-to video. Now today we're going to have a look at my BF GT Falcon that's parked over here. It's been parked there for close to 10 years now, and unfortunately a few things have gone wrong which are quite common to these cars and also the earlier EL, EF models. The headlining inside the car has deteriorated just by sitting there and doing nothing, and it's fallen down. The car's going for registration inspection later today because I'm actually going to register this car and get it back on the road. Here you can see the hood lining's all sagged down and it's not looking really good, and we just need a temporary fix for that until I can get the car to a motor trimmer once it's registered and get this problem sorted out. As you can see here, this is our other car, my daily driver EL Falcon. And I've already taken the hood lining out and dropped it off at the motor trimmers because it had the exact same problem. In this video I'm going to show you a temporary fix, or look, it could be a permanent fix if you don't really want to spend the money at the motor trimmers to get this matter sorted out properly. To start off, you're going to need some thumb tags. Let's go and grab those. Okay, we're back from the shop. Here they are. Let's go inside the car and see how we're going to fix this problem. And there you go, this is how you temporarily or maybe permanently fix your sagging headlining in your EL, BA, BF, AU Falcon. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.